Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. And we are seeing some rain showers today. I thought I'd start out quickly with this weather system for Thursday night into Friday morning. These are National Weather Service snow forecast amounts. I personally think that they've got the southern flank of this a bit too far to the south. I don't think I would have put down a snow for the northwestern New Jersey counties, maybe a little bit in northeastern PA, but I really think that this winds up staying north of Route 84. My personal view is that you're going to have to be pretty much north of this line in order to find anything of consequence. So for the areas further south, clearly I'm not seeing any really big issues here at all, or any issues at all other than rain. And we're talking, for much of for southern New England, except for maybe northwest Connecticut, you get down across southeastern New York, Long Island, New Jersey. You want to make a case that maybe up in northwest Jersey something might happen toward the end. I suppose it's possible. And down through south central, southeastern PA into north central Maryland. That really, to me, is about it. Now, let me just really quick bring up a couple of things. Okay, if you haven't done it already, because a lot of the winter weather coverage is going to be here, download my 2 free apps on Google Play. It's Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Again, it's a free app. And on the App Store, you have also the Meteorologist Joe Cioffi app. I thought I put the link up there, but I did for the what it looks like on the App Store, but apparently it disappeared. And then also the Angry Weatherman, which is my buddy Ben Scott and his signature character, Angry Ben. His free app is available on Google Play and hopefully soon to be available on the App Store. And just one last thing, for extensive weather coverage this winter, much of it is going to be on my weather platform on Patreon. It's $2 a month. And that to start, unless you need hand holding, and there are some higher tiers available, but $2 gets you, a lot of stuff. So just think about that going forward. All right, let's go back to the maps, and we're going to take a look at what's going to be happening here going down the road, regardless of what the precip type is. We are going to have some very, very chilly air to deal with. Now, I'm jumping ahead to Thursday, where you can see it's 50s pretty much from northeast Virginia to southern New England along the coast. And then you go up into upstate New York, and this is where you're going to have your snow issues, where you're seeing temperatures that are running up in the upper 30s and low 40s. The problem here is that it's a race between the cold air coming in and a wave of low pressure developing. And more often than not, for the coastal areas, you get the wave to go by first with rain, and then the precip usually shuts off as the cold air comes in. And that's kind of what's happening here. On the water vapor imagery loop, the upper flow is pretty obvious. We're working, this northern trough, this northern part of the jet stream is working by bringing colder air down from Canada, and it's gradually spreading out through the plains and into the Great Lakes, or at least it will be. You do have, this bit of southern moisture that's coming up. That's actually impacting us today, that we're getting some tropical moisture moving up the East Coast. And that's why you're seeing a little bit of rain shower activity. It's not really anything that's creating any sort of big deal. So there you can see the radar as of 9:30 Eastern time with some showers right along the coast. You've got some rain showers from southeastern Ohio through western PA and western New York. Much of that is going to be falling apart as it moves eastward. So other than that, I think we're just going to be sitting with a lot of clouds today. Going forward with this system for Thursday, no weather issues for Wednesday. It'll just be chilly, and Thursday we'll have increasing clouds. The new NAM is out, and I just want to show you here, in case you're holding on to some sort of hope that this is going to be snow in areas down closer to the coast. It ain't happening. By Thursday evening, we've got rain. You can see that a wave is going by to mostly just inland of the coast. And you got that rain here into Thursday night. By early Friday morning, it's long gone. Looks like the model's actually a bit faster with this in moving it in and moving it out. And also maybe a little bit further north with the rain snow line through upstate New York, north of I-90, or at least initially. You'll probably see a lot of those areas start off as rain and change back over to snow. But for virtually all of Pennsylvania except the Northwest, and points south, this is all rain, clearly, and also for the coast, for New Jersey, Long Island, and southern New England. And then it turns very cold for Friday and into the weekend. Friday and Saturday, we're going to struggle in the upper 30s and low 40s during the daytime on Friday. And as far as temperatures go, Friday night into Saturday. So here's your daytime highs for Friday. We're going to settle into these numbers Friday morning and just pretty much hold there. Upper 30s and low 40s, low 30s in upstate New York and through western PA. And then when we get to Friday night into Saturday morning, it is going to be 20s and teens just about everywhere, from northeast Virginia to southern New England. Might be a little bit higher up in those areas up to the south. That's actually Friday morning you're seeing here. This is Saturday morning. 20s and low 30s, and you've got teens scattered around throughout also many areas as you go north and west of the coast. So this is going to be our coldest shot of the season so far. The few areas that have not had a frost or a freeze are done here. The growing season is going to be over with. And the weekend does look dry. Next week, I'm still holding on to the possibility of something trying to happen. I think there's a better chance of something trying to happen for Tuesday into Wednesday of next week than there was for Thursday into Friday. I've kind of thought that all along, and I'm still holding on to that idea. So check us out tonight, our YouTube live stream at 7 o'clock Eastern Time. Try to get Mr. Rayo to join us with that, and we'll have a Joe and Joe weather show. And again, download the Meteorologist Joe Cioffi weather app on Google Play or on the App Store. Angry Ben's weather app, the Angry Weatherman, which also both apps are free. And there's a lot of stuff on there that you're not going to find put on Facebook or anywhere else. And think about jumping onto my subscription platform on Patreon, and that's patreon.com/meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you later, hopefully on tonight's live stream.